Power is not about money, muscles, or a loud voice. Real power is silent. It shows in how you move, how you pause, and how you react. Today, I'll share 7 simple body language habits that make people respect you instantly. Step 1. Pause when you enter. When you walk into a room, don't speak immediately. Pause for 2 or 3 seconds. Look around calmly and make brief eye contact. People will notice your presence before you say a word. Step 2. Wait before you answer. Don't rush your replies. When someone asks you a question, pause for 1 or 2 seconds. This short silence makes your words feel thoughtful and important. People listen more when you don't speak in a hurry. Step 3. Stay still. Too much movement shows nervousness. Avoid fidgeting, tapping, or shifting your body. In tense moments, stay calm and still. Stillness makes others uncomfortable and gives you control. Step 4. Walk slowly. Rushing makes you look unsure. Walk at a relaxed, controlled pace. Stand firm and move with balance. Slow movement signals confidence and stability. Step 5. Blink slowly. Fast blinking shows stress and fear. Slow blinking shows calm confidence. When someone tries to intimidate you, don't react quickly. Relax your eyes and blink slowly. The pressure shifts to them. Step 6. Leave first. Don't wait for conversations to fade out. When you're done, slightly turn your body and move on. A small nod is enough. This shows your time is valuable. Step 7. Look back once. As you walk away, pause for a second and look back once. No smile, no emotion, just calm awareness. People remember how you made them feel. Power doesn't need noise. It doesn't need attention. Master these habits, and people will feel your confidence before you ever speak.